$168 in 5 trips. I'm gonna do a quick update, but there is a homeless guy right there with the basketball who is pissed. I gotta be careful right now. What's this star going through my face? I guess I'm gonna turn the camera off. So I haven't done an update in a while, so let me show you what's going on. We are at 1,251, $50 away from my goal. Let's take a look at Saturday. $168 so far, 4 hours active, 7 maybe 8 hours online. It's normal. Active to online is 50-50. That is always good. 5 trips is awesome. Yes, we got 3 tips from the first 3 passengers. Let me show you. Let me start from the beginning. I don't think, oh, is this it? Yeah, I don't think I've done a full update. So the first passenger I picked up was from Burbank Airport, and the drop-off was in, let me think, where was the drop-off? Shoot. Oh, South Pasadena. The ride was initially $28, ended up being $37. I don't know why and how Uber did that. Well, I kind of know, but I can't talk about it. Then he gave me a tip, ended up making $47. Thank you, my friend. Then I waited, worked on my YouTube channel a little bit, picked up a Chinese and a South Korean lady from South Pasadena, dropped them off to San Pedro. They were going on a cruise, Discovery Princess Cruise. Again, Uber offered $20 or $21. I picked them up. They added a stop or changed the destination slightly. Uber gave me another $2. I said thank you, and then they gave me a tip. Ended up making $31. After that, once I was in San Pedro, I had a decision to make: stay in San Pedro or go to LAX, which is 20 minutes away. And I realized every Uber driver is in San Pedro at the cruise. That means I'm not gonna get anything, and that's exactly what happened. Uber was offering $4 or $5. I worked on my YouTube channel. I said deuces. I left. I got to LAX. Uber was actually showing a $16 surge. Right when I got there, took it away. Eventually, I got a $33 ride to North Hollywood from LAX. That passenger ended up paying me, well, as you can see, a $15 tip. Great conversation. After that, I took a break and I was speaking to Mr. Adam, who is my first consulting. Let me show you where Adam is. Adam is over here somewhere. Right here. Once I spoke to Adam, I drew this map and I basically helped him out. I said, around 8 o'clock in the evening, 7 o'clock evening, this is where you want to drive to make money when you get started. He was very grateful. He's in my WhatsApp group. Oh, who cares? We'll turn the camera on. He's in my WhatsApp group, and now I have 3 people in my WhatsApp group, me and 2 others, and we're all helping each other out. Let's go back to Uber. After I dropped Adam, after I spoke to Adam for consulting, I ended up picking up a person for $25, Uber XL. That was a tough one. That was basically a boyfriend, girlfriend moving. Maybe they were evicted from the apartment. Well, I don't want to judge, but it was an awkward situation. He asked me, he's got a lot of stuff. Is it okay if I wait? I said, fine. I didn't get paid. I didn't get a tip. And she was in a sad, depressed mood. She was pregnant. She couldn't load anything. I had to unload everything. I helped him out. It was purely a job of service. After that, I got some gas for my car. And I picked up a person right where I was. I didn't have to go that far. $16. 2 Asian girls from Target, dropped them off right here in Doubletree Hilton, and that's where we're at. If you want to look at it, you know, kind of like a condensed view, that's where we're at. This is how we made $168 today. Now I've got to make a decision. How do I get to, or where do I go? Let's look at it together. So I'm showing you the map. What would you do in this situation? I'm in downtown LA. I've been sitting here. It's showing, you know, I mean, there's people. It's downtown LA. It's Saturday. But Uber's not offering anything. We'll turn this on. We'll turn pets on. No deliveries. There's no place to park. What would you do in this situation? And where would you go? I'll let you think about it for 30 seconds, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Right? This is fun because it's almost like a video game. You get to look at the map. You get to see where the surge is. You see the 3 airports I go to. You see the big cloud of gray poop. And you have to decide, what would you do? Got about 10 seconds. What would you do? What would I do? Let's get started. First, you can see up here, Burbank is full. No point in going to Burbank, right? I don't know. Long Beach is an option. LAX is an option. How do we know? We'll take a look. LAX is showing 341. That's not good. But the good news is down here. 6 o'clock, people come. If you look on the top left corner of my screen, you will notice it is 5:05. We're just gonna say 5:55 p.m. That means at 6 o'clock, if I get to LAX by 7, all the people will take the initial passengers. It should open up. It's the holidays. People are gonna come back. My mind says to go towards LAX. Okay, because even if I wait a little bit, there's so many flights coming in. I should be fine, unless the app is hacked. Lately, it hasn't been hacked. We are okay. Let's look at Long Beach. Ooh, that looks good. 2 flights. But what's promising is over here. 6 out of 10. That's good for me because I drive Uber XL. And if you don't see it, it's right here. 6 out of 10. Comfort is 21. And Uber X is 31 out of 35. Long Beach doesn't look too bad, my friends. And at 7, it's 5:55. By 7 o'clock, flights are coming in. Let's see how many. Well, oh, there you go. It showed this time 5. You know what? That's not enough flights for me to go that way. Now, what else would I do here? I would literally look at the surge. This is Griffith Observatory. That's not bad. Universal Studios is also up here somewhere, if I remember correctly. Where is Universal? Okay, I think it's over here. Oh yeah, Universal is that way. It's not showing much. This is Griffith Observatory. Reception is back. I can't go pick up anybody over there. I think I'm gonna go towards LA, and if on the way I get 20 bucks, 15 bucks, I'll take it. If I get something a little bit less going that way, I'll take it. Let's see how far away we are. We are basically 31 minutes. So there you go. It's 6 o'clock, let's say. I'll get there by 6:30. 19 miles basically means it's gonna cost me 5 bucks in gas, and that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna relocate. There is a possibility at USC right here where there's traffic. Maybe I get somebody. If not, it's all good. We're gonna end up here, and I am gonna go the way they're showing me, because after right here, this is all clear. Okay, my friends, this video is basically giving you an update where I am in the income, and I'm probably gonna start another video right now. Oh, let me show you the updates on my YouTube channel, because I haven't had a chance to do my thumbnails today. Let's see how we're doing. I was looking at the comments. There's so many comments I gotta respond to. But first, oh, 356. Hey, check this out. 356. We got more. Oh, I just lost a follower. Damn it. So this is growing nice and slow, which is always good. Let's look at the content. 35, 17, 46, 20, 59. Oh, last night's video is doing pretty good, where I showed 1,083, 198 views in 20 hours. That's very good. That's good for me, actually. 6 likes, 6 comments is always good. Let's check the other channel just to double check. And on this channel, what are you showing, my friends? Nothing's doing too great. Same video on this channel got 5 comments. If you look over here, same video got 5 comments, 1 like, but less views. Okay, that's kind of how I keep track of stuff. I'll give you another example. We're gonna go down to the red one. I've been studying down here from a couple days ago. Number 1 red. Where are you? Oh, I didn't put it on this channel. God damn it. Well, we'll go back to the other channel. I'll show you over here. Check it out. Right here, there is the container video series that I did. There you go, this one. Okay, it's barely moving, right? I'm hoping this video goes viral, but that's it. It's barely moving. It's at 900, and this is how I keep track of everything. I am going to export this video, upload it for you, and I don't think I'm going to edit anything else right now. This is the best that I can do. I'm going to upload this, and my next update will hopefully have my thumbnails done, and we'll take it from there. And I'll start a new fresh video as I'm going to LAX. If I pick up a passenger, I will keep you posted. God bless you. Have a beautiful day.